Yes, Congresswoman Luistro, you may proceed.
Still on the issue of various names, Chairman Karaps mentioned earlier that Michael Young has two passports. One is a Chinese passport, the other is Philippine passport. May we hear from the Bureau of Immigration, is he a dual citizen? Why he was allowed to be issued a Philippine passport as well?
Uh, the, Good afternoon, Madam. The Bureau of Immigration is not aware of the existence of the Philippine passport of Michael Yang. From our record, Your Honor, um, the Chinese name of Michael Yang is Yang Jiajing, who was born on 19 September, 19 January 1983. I, I'm, I'm very sorry. So the name is Yang Hong Ming, who was born on October 2, 1976, Your Honor. And he is a Chinese national.
But do you confirm, if the DFA is here, I wish to hear also from DFA. Ang nag-i-issue lang dapat ng passport ay yung country of nationality. Is that correct? Kung Filipino ka, Philippine passport ka. Kung Chinese ka, Chinese passport ka. The only occasion that we will be seeing a person with two passports for Filipinos are those who are dual citizens, because we allow dual citizenship. Then how come that Michael Yang was issued Philippine passport as well? If you will be raising the late registration of birth, ibig sabihin, he made it appear na siya'y Filipino citizen also, apart from becoming a Chinese citizen. And this reminds me of the significance of the restriction we need to impose application for late registration. Hindi ho pala kailangan mag-apply ng dual citizenship eh. Just because of the very convenient way of applying for a late registration, lalabas ng Filipino din siya, while maintaining his Chinese citizenship. Birth certificate is very significant because this can be used in applying for ID with all other agencies. And this explains kung bakit ang isang tao, iba nasa passport, ibang nasa driver's license, iba ang nasa birth certificate. Ito po'y hindi nagagawa ng mga Pilipino. But how come we are so lax, which allows the foreign nationals to manipulate our system, come up with various names, and make it difficult for us to even establish their identity? Mr. Chair, can we hear from Colonel Asierto whether this Alan Lim, Lin Wenxiong, and Wen Li Chen
Alan C.
are one and the same person?
And Alan C. also. I think si Colonel Asierto, pwede po bang pakisagot nyo yung tanong ni Congresswoman Luistro?
Opo. Si Wen Li Chen o si Li Wenxiong at Alan Lim ay isang tao. At asawa niya si Nono Lin na tumakbong congresswoman sa Quezon City. Ngayon, para ma-identify po natin si Alan Lim, meron po siyang mugshot at fingerprint sa RTC sa Cavite. Kasi meron siyang kaso doon eh. Nag-bail siya doon. So meron siyang fingerprint at mugshot. Pwede pong kunin yon at ikumpara kung ano man dokumentong o sa passport ni Alan Lim. At ito naman pong si Johnson Chua, meron po akong rito, kung ipapadala ko po sa inyo, ay hindi po makita eh. Sorry po. Pero ipapadala ko po sa inyo ito. Meron siya pong,
Johnson Chua.
meron po akong nakuwang passport number niya. Ang passport number niya is Papa Gold 31505060. Ang pangalan niya ay Sho Yui. Zebra Hotel Oscar Uniform Yankee Uniform Echo.
Colonel Acerto, is that the passport?
Ipapadala ko na lang.
Colonel Acerto is Colonel, Chairman,
Passport number po yan.
Chairman,
Passport number po.
Chairman.
Congressman Paduano.
Is that Colonel Acerto, is that passport you're holding, the passport number is a Chinese passport or a Filipino passport?
I think Chinese passport po yata ito eh. Hindi ko na po matanda kasi ang tagal na po eh.
Mr. Chairman,
Ito po yung mga pangalan ni Johnson Chua.
ASAP lang, pasabit lang sa committee, then we will ask the DFA and the Bureau of Immigration with regards to that passport. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Let me first
Tapos si ano
rule-
po, si Alan si po, siya po yung binanggit ni Las Cañas sa kanyang affidavit sa ICC.
Las Cañas.
Binanggit po ni Las Cañas si Alan C. sa kanyang
Okay,
affidavit.
sige.